Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change the name on Vita Mahjong. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the name on Vita Mahjong. So basically what you need to do is go and when you're in the home screen, tap on the top left corner on the profile icon. Now here, as you can see, you have your profile, where of course you can put in your nation, you can put in your avatar frame, and we have the name, as you can see, where your avatar is. As you can see, I don't have an avatar, it is just a plain avatar. And on the right side of that, we have this pencil, which you can click on. And here, as you can see, you can delete this name that you've got, default in the game, and type in whichever you want. So type in whichever you want, click on OK, then click Save. And when you go back there, as you can see, your name has been updated. You have a new name. So it is that easy guys. That's how you can actually go and change the name on Vita Mahjong. So guys, the first thing that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.